about 45 kilos when it's without the batteries. Now I have just one battery, and this will weigh about 5 kilos. So now it weighs 50 kilos, and with both the batteries, I have two identical batteries, it will weigh about 55 kilos. So it isn't any light thing. But when you build it out of steel and weld it together, it will weigh quite a lot. And as I also have this rear suspension here. But the thing that weighs the most is the motor in the back here, of course, and this fork is quite heavy, even if it's made of aluminium, but it weighs a lot. And rubber in these wheels are also heavy. So, but since you have the electric drive, it's quite nice to use. And in my last video, you couldn't change gear, because if you see here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really close here to the wheel here. So I couldn't change gear. I could only use the 6th gear from the top here. But now I just I welded one of these extra gears here that will put it in place here, so it won't go against this steel here. So now I can change gear here. I have put an old gear changer here that I took from an old bike. So now I can change gear from 6th gear here down to this is gear 1, and this is 2, and this is 7. So you can use from here down here, or what way? You can use all these. Not you can use this, but then it's too close to the. Oh, look at this. Then it's too close to the rubber on the wheel. So as you see now, it's pretty close. So that's good, because now I can pedal a bit also when I'm at a little bit higher speed. So that's it. The sun is soon going down.